Today I'm read Bird and Kip. Okay, let's start it. My bird's name is not forever, cried Bird. Kip felt terrible. I think I'll send a note to Bird, he thought. Kip went off to his hole. He found a pencil and some paper. Dear Bird, he wrote, I'm sorry. Your bird's name is not forever. Your friend Kip. Kip put the note into an envelope. Now I just need a stamp, he said. This is look good. Kip put the stamp on the envelope. He put the envelope in the mailbox. The next day, Bird got a note. She cheered when she read it. Yay! Cried Bird. Thank you, Kip. You got my note? Asked Kip. Yes, said Bird. And I got my bird stamp back. Where is it? Asked Kip. Bird laughed. You put in the envelope, silly. Bird's secret. Bird's secret. It was early for morning. The air was chilly. Kip rubbed his paw to keep warm. Kip looked down. Bird was doing something in her nest. Kip didn't see what it was. He climbed only when something green and yellow. He could only see something green and yellow. Hey, Bird, said Kip. What are you doing? Nothing, said Bird. Kip climbed down to Bird's branch. Can I see? Asked Kip. No, said Bird. Bird turned her back to Kip. Come on, said Kip. Tell me what are you doing? No, said Bird. Please, said Kip. No, said Bird. I'm not telling you. Keep trying to pick over Growlbird. Bird moved to the side. Kip tried to pick over Bird. Bird raised her shoulders. Why not? Why won't you tell me? Asked Kip. Bird got angry because it's a secret, Kip, cried Bird. Because it's a secret. Kip climbed down the tree. Bird is my best friend, said Kip. But she is keeping secret from me. A cold wind blew. Kip shivered. I'm angry at Bird, he said. I'm not going to find a new friend. I'm going to find a new friend. Squirrel was waiting to cross the pie path. Squirrel and I and I both got the acorns, said Kip. I'll be friends with Squirrel. Hi, Squirrel, said Kip. Do you want to get the acorn together? No, thanks, said Squirrel. I have no acorn. Frog was jumping to the pond. I like to jump too, said Kip. I'll be friends with Frog. Hi, Frog, said Kip. Do you want to jump around with me? Maybe in the spring, said Frog. I'm going to sleep for the winter. This is terrible, cried Kip. Bird is keeping a secret from me, and I can't find a new friend. Bird surprised. Kip walked to the beach. It's cold and windy. I'll find a new friend here. he said. Kip saw two seagulls. They are friends with each other, said Kip. They don't want to be friends with me. Kip saw two crabs. They pinched Kip's toes. Ouch, cried Kip. I don't want to be friends with them. So Kip sat down. I miss Bird, he said. I wish we were still friends. Just then Bird landed next to Kip. We still friends, she said. But you were keeping secret, said Kip. Friends shouldn't do that. I'm sorry, said Bird. I just didn't want you to see this. Bird held up a green and yellow scarf. I was making it for you, said Bird. Kip put on a scarf. Thanks for the scarf, Bird, said Kip, and thanks for being my friend. Wide awake, Kip. It was late at night. Kip was wide awake. Kip looked at his books. I have so many books, said Kip. I'll stay up and read all night. Kip made some popcorn. She took the book off the shelf. He sat down in his cozy chair. I have everything I need, said Kip. I have good book and some popcorn. I just wish Bird was here. Kip picked out his paw. He looked down at Bird. She's sleeping, said Kip. I shouldn't wake her up. Kip went back to his cozy chair. He ate some popcorn. He opened his book. Kip started to read. It was a very scary book. It was about a spooky ghost. Ah, cried Kip. Popcorn went everywhere and Bird woke up. Kip note.
Kip put the note into an envelope.
Kip put a note into the envelope.
The next day, Bird got the note.
The next day, Bird got a note.
Kip found a pencil and some paper.
Kip found the pencil and some paper.
Kip put the stamp on the envelope.
Kip put the stamp onto the envelope.
Kip put the envelope in the mailbox. Bird got angry.
Bird got angry.
Bird raised her shoulders.
Bird raised her shoulders.
Kip climbed down to Bird's branch.
Kip climbed down to Bird's.
Bird moved to the side.
Bird moved to the side.
Kip rubbed his paws to keep warm.
Kip rubbed his paws to keep warm. Bird surprised a new friend.
Kip climbed down the tree. Squirrel was waiting to cross the bike path. Do you want to gather acorns together? Asked Kip.
Do you want to gather acorns together? Asked Kip.
Frog was jumping to the pond.
Frog was jumping to the pond.
Kip shivered.
Kip shivered. Bird surprised.
Kip saw two seagulls.
Kip saw two seagulls.
Bird held up a green
scarf.
The crabs pinched Kip's toe.
The crab pinched Kip's toes.
Just then, Bird landed next to Kip.
Just then, Bird landed next to Kip.
Kip put on the scarf.
Kip put on the scarf. Wide awake, Kip.
Kip made some popcorn.
Kip made some popcorn.
Popcorn went everywhere.
Popcorn went everywhere.
He took a book off the shelf.
He took the book off the shelf.
Kip peeked out his hole.
Kip peeked out his hole.
Kip went back to his cozy chair.
Kip went back to his cozy chair.
Very.
Okay, did you like my video? You made me one like, one subscribe. Goodbye.